This is a video of what my Jeep is doing right now. I told the guys on the Jeep forum that I'd posted. So once this light turns green, I'm going to turn around and I'll let you know, or you'll be able to hear what it's doing. It's making interesting sound, almost like there's water in the fuel tank, I guess, but hold on, be patient, I gotta shift. There it is. Yeah. So you can hear it, it's almost like it's not getting enough fuel or the right amount. The guy at the shop said it could have been water in the fuel tank, but I used heat and obviously it didn't end up working out. So hopefully you guys have some ideas, something I can look at. Appreciate it.